Everyone, my name is Nurullah Shaikutullah, and today I will demonstrate the full functionality of ABC company network that is built on Cisco Packet Tracer. First, I will show you the inter-VLAN routing, Ether channel, then dynamic routing, DHCP, and at the last, I will show the access control list, whether they works or not. But first, let's go for the VLANs, inter VLANs, and let's make sure it's actually exists in our system. So let's just go, inter VLANs is over this section. So let's just go to the switch, and as you can see, I already typed show VLAN brief, and you can see the VLAN 10 is for IT and 20 for HR. So let's see whether they communicate with each other or not. So let's find out the IP address for PC3 first. IP config. So it's 10.62.10.10, and let's ping PC1 from here. So sorry, PC3 from here. So PC3's IP was 10.62.10.10. Yep, as you can see, it's getting the replies, and it sent 4 packages and received 4 packages, so 0% loss. So it's basically working completely fine. And let's make sure the ether channel is also working fine. So first, let's go to switch 4 this time. Let's go to the command line, and now show ether channel summary. So as you can see, that ether channel is also working fine. It's combined with the first Ethernet cable 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's combined all 4, and all 4 is basically working as one. And now let's verify the Melbourne router, the routing. Basically, we're gonna verify the routing. So in order to do that, we can go to the Melbourne router, and let's go for show IP route. Yep. As you can see from here, the whole routing system is working completely fine. So you can see these are directly connected, and these are remotely connected, and you can see it in the topology as well. Sorry. So the routing is working completely fine. Now let's see whether we can communicate from this PC to this server or not. Let's find out the IP address of the server. So it's 172.62.1010. So let's just try from here. Ping 172.62.10.10. Yep, as you can see, it's getting replied from the server, so which means the routing is working completely fine. We need to confirm one more thing, so let's just check whether this PC is getting the IP addresses or not. So we can check it in two ways. First way is this here. So as you can see, I've selected DHCP, and you can see it's getting IP address which is 172.62.20.2, and we can check it from here as well. Let's just write down IP config. Yep, it's working fine. And finally, let's come to the ACL. So the requirement of the assignment says that we need to block the signals coming from this PC4. So if I try to ping the server from PC3, it should work fine. But if I try to ping the server from PC4, it should block it. So first, let's try to ping it from both of the devices. Let's go to PC4. Let's ping, and the IP for the server was 172.62.10.10. So as you can see, it's getting all the replies from the server from PC4, and earlier I showed you from PC3 as well. So both PC3 and 4 can communicate with the server. So now we're gonna configure the Melbourne router and make sure that the server blocks the signal from PC4. So in order to configure that, we need to go to the Melbourne server command function. um, Config t extended Melbourne to Sydney. Permit IP 100.0.0.255 172.10.0.0.0.0.255 and deny IP 10.62.20.0.0.255 and 72.62.20.0, sorry, 10.0.0.0.255 and permit any permit, sorry, permit any, oh, sorry. Yep. Now let's go to the interface serial one IP access group mel to sid out. All done. Now let's try to bring the server from PC3 ping 172.62.10.10. It's pinging fine. Now let's try from PC4 ping 172.62.10.10. Yep. So as you can see, it's not reaching its destination. So that's all. Thank you.